Okay,
Say something.
Saan tayo?
We're here in Tagbilaran, Bohol. Oh no, the city, in the island of Bohol. This is the man-made forest.
Ang laki naman ng tae sa gitna ng...
Look at all the trees. Is about 20-year-old. Some of them are 100. Some of them are young. Look at the beauty. Good governance. This is the evidence of good governance. What's up, you guys in Isabela? Learn something like this. And other town in Philippines, stop illegal logging. Right here, this is a good example. Politician, come over here. Look at this. That's the beauty. Alright, what's up?
Okay.
Alright, it's almost done. Alright, again. This is good governance. Stop illegal logging. 100% man-made forest. Right here. Look at the three big trees down there. Tapos, ang laking area.